We are going to build the helicopter
Oh,
in this 3-in-1 jet set. Will you hold up the booklet, sweetie?
yes.
So we can see this picture? We've built the jet. That's the jet. It's a creator set, obviously. And we're building the second stage, which is the
What
yeah,
the
the helicopter.
heck?
So,
Mom, let me see the picture.
Let's get back to the picture.
Kieran has already started.
I need. Hey. Another blue peg.
Did I miss one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the
The cross and the click. Half cross, half click.
I like those. I like you, Mommy.
Well,
Right.
okay. So that's that assembly.
Can I have it?
And now that part
this
goes.
is our helicopter from the police
What?
set. This one should be a lot more serious, not more imposing. Which means when Kay and I play, I'll get the little one and he'll get this big one.
That
I always get the little toy.
and that. Oh,
Whoa, that's close. That's good.
it's close. Click. So that's that, right?
Yes,
Yes.
it is. Motorbike.
Motorbike. All right.
That's the
Hey,
piece
look.
that he built that earlier all
You
by
built
himself.
that all by yourself, huh? Cool. It goes on right here. Fantastic. Thanks for having that bit done. Cool. Okay, so now it says we flip it over and we put these pieces on.
Do you like this table better than the floor?
Yes, it's a super cool. Boopy the boopy.
Boopy da boopy.
Boop, boop, boop.
Someday we'll have a nice ergonomic chair and
Boopy
big
the
table
boopy.
in our
Boopy
Lego
the
basement.
boopy.
Right? Here in Florida, we're gonna have a Lego basement.
Lego basement?
For those of you who don't live in Florida, we don't have basements here because if we did, they'd be full of water, right?
Right? I think.
On the orange,
Yep.
I am sure.
I am sure.
I will say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm happy.
You are?
Yes. More. No move my page. No move. No.
Don't turn the page.
No. No. No.
Can you get it on? That block will not obey you. Oh, good. You got it. Good job.
Good.
All right. So we need this and this and these, and they're gonna go. Wait. Wait a minute. Two. Okay. I guess that's the problem. All right.
Okay.
This one goes.
Okay. Okay.
You are okay?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic.
I appear at this watch. Whoa. Whoa.
You're not helping me very much.
Tuba. That's you in the tuba, Daddy.
Tuba.
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 Oh.
Yeah. He's quoting Narwhal and Jelly, Book 2.
Oh,
Storybots.
Storybots.
And the wow house, 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 and the wow house,
that is a mean looking
and the wow
helicopter.
house, and the wow house,
Hey,
and the wow,
copyright violation.
and the wow house, and the wow house, and the wow house.
Okay, it looks like
The main rotor assembly.
Too bad these aren't those cool motorized ones, you know.
Wheels?
No, the rotor.
Oh yeah.
The cool little motorized Legos I played with in elementary school.
You did?
Yeah. I told you I made that lawnmower
You made a lawnmower?
and programmed it to. It was programming and Lego building. It was. So
I never
much
did
fun.
any Lego programming. I can tell you that.
I did. Going to school in the 80s. It was fun.
Let's see that bad guy. There he is.
That's what you wanted
I
to
meant
see.
the helicopter, not you.
This is some wingspan.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's all the big Gabby. Moraji, 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 Moraji.
That's pretty good for a second stage build for a 3-in-1.
Moraji.
I think it's
The
pretty
jet was awesome. This is a pretty neat looking helicopter. If I could see it. Can't see it.
No? Can't see it?
He's a little too close. There's a good view. Thank you. Super slow-mo. That was not done in post. That was a live shot.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, I think Mommy's ready with the rotor.
I am. Let's
Is that
put
what
it
it's
on
called?
there.
Rotor.
All right.
What's that? Extra piece?
I think it is. I was just looking real hard to make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, sorry.
Wow. And that is the helicopter from the Lego Creator
Oh, there you go. And his little wheel.
31039. We haven't done the boat yet. I'm not sure if we'll do the boat. Look at that tree. Very cool. Very cool build. I have to give this set a thumbs up. Like we said, we like the jet, and now this is a pretty cool helicopter. I don't know about that big yellow plate in the bottom. I might have to change that.
Moraji, 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 Moraji.
More energy!
Oh, more energy. Where's that from? Where's that from?
There's no telling. It's a sponge.
Okay,
He hears
so
it.
I guess here's my helicopter now.
I'm sure this helicopter will be armored soon if Daddy gets hold of it.
Yeah.
He'll be putting some cannons on it.
We do need some armament, don't we?
Mommy, it's
Yeah.
falling down. It's falling down.
Oh no! Better turn that rotor
Moon,
on.
Moon, better, better.